Had William Shakespeare been alive today using envisage, he'd no doubt state, to delete or archive, that is the question. William, of course, is trying to decide whether to delete a graph or simply archive a graph. And we're going to answer that question for you and Shakespeare in this video. We recommend that you archive rather than delete for the following reasons. When you delete, the information is lost. Any calculated graph referencing the deleted graph will no longer include the data. For example, if you delete a salesperson's graph, then the sales total graph will lose those values, reducing the total. In contrast, when you archive, the graph's value can still be used in calculations. And you can always unarchive them to review the data or reuse the graph. That's why we recommend you use archive instead of delete. Now we'll show you how to do both. These are two ways to access the archive and delete features. 1. Via the Graph Edit settings, and 2. Via Manage Graphs. For method 1, go to the Edit settings. Choose Archive or Delete. You'll notice archiving happens immediately, whereas deleting requires additional confirmation just to be sure. To delete or archive via Manage Graphs, head over to Settings, choose Manage Graphs. Find the graph and click either Archive or Delete. If you don't see a list of graphs, use the search bar to find the graph you're looking for. That covers the two ways to archive or delete a graph. Now let's discuss undoing the process. As you can see, via Managed Graphs, you have the ability to unarchive and restore a graph. Restore applies to graphs you may have accidentally deleted and you want them back. We've added this extra layer of redundancy just to be sure. You can restore a deleted graph for up to 90 days. After that, it's gone forever. Note, if you don't see a list of graphs in Managed Graphs, use the search bar to find the graph you're looking for. When searching for archived or deleted graphs, you'll need to apply the Search by Status filter first by choosing either Archived or Deleted. Then the graph you are looking for will show up in the search results. Choose the graph using the Select box and click Manage Graphs to load. Now you can unarchive or restore the graph. And that concludes this video and answers the age-old question of whether to delete or archive. If you need help deciphering other Shakespearean soliloquies or need help with envisage, then reach out to support. We can also fully onboard you and your team to get the most out of envisage and help your business grow. Remember, you can always search our comprehensive help docs for more information. Links in the description below.